Let's make chocolate-covered strawberry jars. Here's what you'll need for the chocolate custard. Start by pouring in your milk, heavy cream, and sugar into a saucepan. Stir the mixture and cook on medium-high heat for 5 to 10 minutes. Do not let the mixture boil, we just want to warm it up. Now let's separate the eggs, placing the yolks in a large bowl and the whites in a small bowl. We are only using the yolks for this recipe, but you can save the egg whites in the fridge for an omelet later. To prepare for the next step, whisk the eggs. Now that the milk mixture is heated, we can start tempering our eggs. Do so by whisking in half of your hot liquid mixture. You do this so that the eggs cook but do not scramble. Then whisk the egg mixture back into the milk mixture and add in your chocolate. Place the saucepan back onto medium-high heat to thicken the custard. Make sure to keep stirring so that the mixture doesn't boil. Now add in the espresso powder, which will bring out the richness of the chocolate. And after 3 to 5 minutes, your mixture should coat the back of a spoon. That is when you know it is ready. Run the custard through a strainer to ensure that it has a smooth texture. When it is finally time to cool your custard, place Saran wrap over the top to prevent a film from occurring. Refrigerate for at least 1 hour. While the custard cools, let's create our strawberry layer. Begin by removing the tops of your strawberries, quartering them, and placing the pieces into a large bowl. Over top of your strawberries, zest 1/2 of your grapefruit and then add in the juice of 1/4 of a grapefruit. Finish the mixture by adding in the honey and stirring. Let them sit for at least 30 minutes. If any longer, place in the fridge. The last layer is fresh whipped cream. I am going to be using a stand mixer, but you can also whip the cream by hand or with a hand mixer. Combine all the ingredients together and whisk until stiff paste. When all of your components are ready, layer your jars. I am doing a custard layer, a strawberry layer, a whipped cream layer, and then repeating, but you can do this any way you want. Finally, enjoy your results. You can also make each component ahead of time for easy layering later on.